Well, hello and welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen, and it's time for another Kitsch vintage recipe. This I've actually seen in multiple vintage cookbooks called frozen fruit slush, but I've also seen it in Amish cookbooks and at Amish restaurants called Amish Slush. And it's one I'm very fond of that I've had before and I've made before, and I'm excited to make it again. So I'm ready to introduce you to Amish Slush. Grab a bowl and add 2 cups of sugar. Add 3 cups of boiling water. Stir until dissolved. Add a 12-ounce can of frozen orange juice. I'm living a little and I'm using mango orange juice. Squeeze it out in there. Next comes a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. Add that with the juice. Next, you slice in 6 to 8 bananas. I'm also going to mix in 18 ounces of Sprite or 7-Up. I'm going to ladle that into some Tupperware or some individual cups for freezing. Time to freeze it. Okay, it's all done. I also made some in a smaller container too for some tasting. You're supposed to pull it out and let it sit out for a while, depending on the size of the container. If it's a big container, it might take about an hour and a half to thaw. You want it to be a nice slushy consistency, kind of like this. I mean, this middle part could use a lot more thawing, but when you're eating, you want it to be nice and slushy. Okay, I can't wait to try this Amish slush. The banana's pretty frozen feeling, but that's okay, it's gonna cool me down. Here we go. Lots of fabulous fruity flavors. I taste the banana is so strong. The pineapple is great. The orange and the mango. It works. It's a very sweet, fun, easy treat. And it's something you can make at your home too. So simple. Thank you for watching me here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. I like providing you with simple, unique recipes. Very kitsch. Have a great day. Why was the pineapple left alone? Because the banana split.